Deep cleaning a home so it feels and looks professionally maintained starts with a precise plan and the right sequence of tasks. Start by assessing each room for high traffic and high touch areas and prioritize those first, since this reduces overall time and yields visible results immediately. Use a 2-bucket or 2-bag system for cleaning cloths and tools so you never cross-contaminate surfaces. One for cleaning solution and one for rinsing or for dry tools. For floors, sweep or vacuum thoroughly before wet cleaning to remove grit that can scratch surfaces, and use a microfiber mop dampened with a neutral pH cleaner for sealed hard floors to avoid streaks. When cleaning kitchens and bathrooms, work top to bottom, left to right, and finish with fixtures so residue does not drip onto freshly cleaned areas. For stubborn soap scum or mineral deposits, mix a 50-50 solution of white vinegar and warm water and apply with a nylon scrub brush, letting it sit for several minutes before scrubbing to soften deposits. Maintain an inventory checklist and replenish critical consumables weekly so service continuity is consistent for recurring clients. Clients often assume carpet stains will lift completely with any cleaner, which is not true. Test a spot, use a blotting motion instead of scrubbing, and if a stain is old or has set, recommend professional hot water extraction. Another common issue is streaks on glass and mirrors caused by using too much cleaner or dirty cloths. Switch to a microfiber cloth and work in a cross pattern, finishing with vertical swipes to remove film. A third concern is damage to finishes from acidic or abrasive cleaners. Always check manufacturer recommendations. If unknown, use a pH-neutral product on a hidden area first, and avoid steel wool or harsh powders on delicate surfaces. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and allowing users to post needs and offers. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences to make hiring and project planning smoother.